Alright, today on Clark's Place, welcome to Clark's Place by the way, my buddy got me this hood and I took out the little squirters, and he says he found this hood at a nuclear dump site. You'll see. Yeah. So this goes on like a 2008 Magnum. He loved the hood, I guess, and I guess I'll sand it all down and see what's under this nuclear holocaust here.
Getting the hood done. That's looking good.
Yeah, a few little nicks and places in it, but yeah.
Yeah. These are the Z bars or Z panels for the Daytona. Primed. Charlie stuff here.
Who was calling him?
Oh, I think it was Harry. Going on really nice and smooth. You put the black down first and then the gray, so when you sand it, it's like a guide coat underneath it in black.
Yep.
Yep.
My favorite thing to do.
I got all those parts over there. I haven't done anything.
I'm gonna get those.
Okay.
I'm getting in order here.
Hang on, let me pull this out. Whoop. Pull the headlight buckets out. Get all those primed.
Quit bumping into my hood.
I know it.
Pretty happy with that one.
Okay.
Quit bumping into my hood.
That's dry. We need more space. I can pull it back in if you want. Okay.
Yeah.
I disconnected the motors so we could open those up to paint behind it.
Oh, I didn't even think about that. Yeah.
Has an axle on it. This is probably how we're going to have to paint the color on the car too.
Thinking so, yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's looking real nice. Of course, there wasn't a whole lot of work to do on this. Grant Janik, which the nose was made by, it's pretty much ready to go. All I did was sand it real good and make sure there wasn't any flaws in it. I mean, it's all fiberglass. It'll never rust. It's really nice. Hopefully in the next couple weeks, I'll be putting the Omaha orange on it. Making it look pretty. Yowza.
Look pretty covered?
Yeah, it does.
Okay. Okay.
Good primer.
About out, so.
Run it out. We have another one mixed up, ready to just pop on the gun. This is the nose piece for the Magnum of Charlie. Sprayed it black, and it's plastic, so it's a little different.
I messed it up.
Because he kind of scuffed everything up, and it's
The scuff is really scuffed. So
Yeah.
I got some work to do with this.
all right.
Okay, the hood and pieces from the Abyss actually turned out pretty darn nice. You can kind of see a little bit of the pearly in it. Looks pretty good. Yeah. Okay, little buffing, little cutting, little buffing should be good for Charlie's car. See y'all next video. Bye bye. it.